And that looked like a mountain. Oh my god, that was weird. I saw, like, I forgot what it's called. Like,
come on, spit it out, hurry up.
The dinosaur movie with Littlefoot or something like that.
Oh, Live Before Time.
Yeah.
I love that one.
I saw the dinosaur running by a mountain. And I see it now. I see it with my feet. Oh, that's weird. Look at my eyes.
Talk.
Do you see this? Did you get that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Warm and fuzzy inside. Open your eyes more. Move your finger all the way to one side. Come on. Come on, you're not even focusing. Come on, do this. You can't do it? Come on.
Oh.
Here, start again from here. Okay, you got this. Close your eyes for a second.
Ooh, my finger twitched.
Keep doing it. I'll tell you when to stop.
That? Did you see
yes,
twitch?
yes, stop.
Oh.
Stop. Close your eyes. Just go 1. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3.